Good morning, everybody. My name is Ankit Sharma, and my topic is cement production. The cement was produced by various scientists in different ways. Smeaton, John Smeaton, was the first civil engineer. Civil means non-military, and Joseph Aspdin developed the Portland cement. After that, after that, he discovered that different types of compounds are found in cement. One is tricalcium silicate, dicalcium silicate, tetracalcium aluminoferrite, and tricalcium aluminate. So this is the composition of cement. Now, cement is produced by various ways. One is by production in kilns. One is by production in kilns. One is by production in rotary mills. One is by production in Hoffman kilns. So there are different types of kilns in which the cement is produced. So this cement is produced in various types of kilns like Hoffman kiln, intermittent kilns, and various kilns which are like upper draught kilns and down draught kilns. So there were many types of kilns which were developed during the production of cement. The cement was developed firstly when it was developed by John Smeaton. John Smeaton was the first civil engineer, and civil means non-military. Now, the percentage of C3S and C2S in cement is different. C3S means which provides hardness to the cement, and C2S means which provides more soundness to the cement. C4AF is also one of the cement compound which is a compound which is responsible for which is responsible for C4AF is a compound which is responsible for the undesirable properties of cement. So there are many types of cements. One is Portland Pozzolana cement, One is ordinary Portland cement. One is rapid hardening cement. One is ground granulated blast furnace cement. One is low heat cement. One is high alumina cement. So there are different types of cements. So cements are of different types. Low heat cement, Portland pozzolana cement, high alumina cement, and low heat cements are used. Low heat cements are used for low heat cements are used for construction underwater, and high alumina cement is used. High alumina cement is used for building constructions. So these sort of cements uh, are different types of cements which are used. Now I would like to talk about the clinker formation. Clinker is being formed by various processes which are developed in the kiln. So this clinker formation is the formation of the cement and the kiln. So the clinker is formed as in the shape of nodules. So these nodules are known as clinkers. So this was it for me. I think this is enough for today. Thank you.